And here you're looking at the Asoke area. So here in front, this is the interchange tower that is right at Asoke. Good afternoon. I'm here in Sukhumvit 31 in front of a building called the Siamese Exclusive 31. And today I am here to make a movie of a nice 3-bedroom duplex unit here. So let me bring you inside. This is a building that finished just a couple of years ago, and all the units in here are still pretty new. Well, as the name says, the Siamese Exclusive, it is quite exclusive building. So let me bring you inside. Sawadee krap. Okay. So there's a nice lobby here. And this is a scale model of the building. So I will bring you here to the swimming pool area. So let's go up. So every unit has a private elevator. So just to give an idea where we are, so there, that is the Biraj Tower, which is the M Quartier. And I just uploaded a couple of days ago a nice video about the M Quartier. And here in front you have the whole Prompong area. And down here is Sukhumvit 31. I'm here at the 18th floor. So all the facilities on this building are 18. And unfortunately, it's all closed. So the swimming pool area is open. I can come here, but it's not allowed to swim here. And also the gym is closed. But let me show you a little bit inside. The reason that I'm here is because I'm filming a very nice duplex unit for Sukhumvit Homes, which I will put a link in the description here as well. So this is the gym area. Unfortunately, it's closed, but you can still we can still have a quick peek in it like this. And as you can see, you have a very nice view if you're doing your running and your biking. So let me show you here the sauna area, where you have a nice, you have an opening and you can see the other side of the building. You can see the views there. You have the changing room, shower and sauna with a nice back entrance. So then I can show you a bit more view from the back here. And here you're looking at the Asoke area. So here in front, this is the interchange tower that is right at Asoke. And I made a video one time here at the Munich. I will put a link in the description here as well. Here around the corner, the yellow building is the Royce. And then that over there, that is the Singa complex. So that's Petbury. And there you have the Noble 19, and this is the Esse. So the street down here, this is Soi 23. And for whoever knows it, this is Narcissus. which is an old club. Okay, let me show you the room that I came here to film for. The reason that I'm here at the Siamese 31 is because I need to film this duplex unit. It's actually quite spacious, very high ceilings. And a nice balcony. And a view here of the Krompong area. You know, every balcony here has a tree on it. So they really tried to make an eco-friendly building. There's a little library here. Yeah, basically this is a study room that you can use if you live here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Siamese Exclusive on 31. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line. See you guys in my next video.